Open the box. Check VX520 terminal, charge cable, Ethernet cable, or phone line. Take off the cover at the bottom. For internet users, insert Ethernet cable at the ETH port and connect the other side to your router. Insert power cable at green power port. For phone line user, insert store phone line cable in the blue phone port. Press Soft Pay or Credit Debit if you see Sale on the screen, which is the main screen, and it is ready to use. Open the box. Check the VX805 pin pad with a pin pad cable. Connect pin pad cable at RS23S port. Press Enter and press More on VX520. Press Pin Pad Utility and enter the password and enter. 1. If the screen on VX520 shows XPCR EMV device, press Yes. It will prompt OK with 3 beep sounds and the terminal will go back to the main screen. 2. If the screen on VX520 shows other than XPCR EMV device, press No. Press F2, Next, 4 times, and press F3, Select, and press Yes. It will prompt OK with 3 beep sounds and the terminal will go back to the main screen. Press the Sale button and enter the amount and press Enter. Insert or tap the credit card. Remove card when Remove Card prompts. Receipt will be printed. Press the Sale button and enter the amount and press Enter. Insert or tap Debit card. Press Debit. Enter PIN and press Enter. Remove card when Remove Card prompts. Receipt will be printed. Press More. Press Void. Press Yes if you want to void the last transaction. Press Yes if the transaction displayed on the screen is the one you want to void. Press No if you want to void other transaction. Press F1 Invoice Numbers. Enter invoice numbers and press Enter. Press Yes if the transaction displayed on the screen is the one you want to void. Press More. Press Refund. Enter the amount and press Enter. Insert or tap credit card, or key in all the card numbers. Enter expiration date if keyed in all the card numbers and press Enter. Press Settlement. If you don't see Settlement, press More and press Settlement. Settlement amount will be displayed. Press Enter. Press Report. Press Detail Report or Total Report. 1. Reprint last receipt. Press Reprint. Press Last Receipt. 2. Reprint any receipt. Press Reprint. Press any receipt. Enter invoice number and press Enter.